right, everybody comfortable?
Yep.
Good. Okay, boys and girls, let's continue our conversation about weather. Okay, when we talk about weather, what are some of the signs of weather that we see? We see the sun outside. What does the sun do for us? Keeps us warm. Keeps us warm all year long. What would happen if we didn't have the sun?
Will be cold.
Very cold. Very cold. Andrew? Yes, it would be dark. And if it's dark all the time, Andrew, what happens? Pardon me? We couldn't see. What would we need to see then? What we would have to use a lot of? Candles, flashlights, lanterns, electricity, right?
And it might freeze.
It might freeze because the sun does keep the earth warm. Good.
Clouds.
Clouds is another type of weather, isn't it? Okay. What's inside all those clouds? What did we talk about that filled up those clouds and make them big and puffy like cotton? Rain. So is rain another type of weather?
Yes.
Rain, sleet. You want to raise your hand and wait to be called on. Everybody wants a turn. Caitlin? Snow. Good. When do you see snow, Caitlin? Wintertime. Do you see it at any other time of the year?
No.
Why does it come just in the wintertime? Wesley?
That's when it's close enough for when the rain comes down and freezes.
What's rain called when it freezes and falls?
Ice.
Ice. And what's that other word that's cold, freezing rain? Sleet. Sleet is another kind of weather condition, isn't it?
Overcast.
When it's overcast, what does it look like outside? Cloudy. Does the sun shine when it's overcast?
No.
Does it always rain when it's overcast? No, it's just kind of a foggy, dark day. Right. Are there any other kinds of weathers?
Windy.
Windy. Good for you. Windy. Can be windy at any time, can't it? Okay. Can there be wind in the wintertime? How would that wind in the wintertime feel?
Cold.
Real cold. Real cold. When else can it be windy?
Freezing.
Janelle? When do you know that it's windy? Another time of the year. Emily? It can, in the fall, right. What happens when it's windy in the fall? All those leaves come fluttering down, don't they? Falling to the ground. Okay, is there any other season when it's really windy?
Spring.
Yes. What does the wind in the springtime do? Why is it so windy? Is the wind good in the springtime?
Yeah.
Sure, it's good in the springtime.
It's a little bit warm though.
It starts to get warmer, and when the wind is warmer, what do you think that brings about? What does warm wind help? It means the summer's on the way when the weather gets warmer.
It spreads seeds.
It does. You're right. The wind does spread seeds. That's how seeds travel. You're right, Jason. Good for you. I've forgotten that. What, you going to say something? What about all that mud that's out there now that Kevin fell into today?
It dries up.
And what helps it to dry up?
The sun.
The sun and
Wind.
the wind, the nice warm winds. Okay. Boys and girls,
It gets better in springtime.
what gets better in springtime?
The day.
The days do. You like springtime?
Yeah, the days get longer.
The days get longer. If the days get longer, what else
The
happens?
nights get shorter.
The nights get shorter. And that's all
I know
a
this is-
signal that what's happening.
The leaves pop up to the trees.
The leaves start to pop out again. Davidson? Davidson? Any ideas, Davidson? When we have snow, we think of winter. When we have wind, we think of spring. When we have lots and lots of sunshine, we think of summer. And when we have, let's see, how can we describe our last season? We have sunny days, we have windy days. Colleen, slow down. Okay, slow down. You're way ahead of me. I can't think that fast. Slow down. How many seasons are there in a year? Four seasons. Let's see. Let's take a vote. You can only vote one time. Let's vote for our favorite season. I haven't said anything yet. Okay, wait a minute. Well, we'll start with this season. It is winter. Who likes winter better than any other season? I agree. Thumbs down to winter. I don't like winter either. It's cold. I don't like it. Let's see. After winter, we're going to get ready for spring. Who likes spring when everything starts to grow and come alive and everything is reborn? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 for spring. All right, after spring, let's move along into summer. Who likes summer the best? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 for summer. 11. 11 for summer. Good for you, Wesley. I forgot myself. And the last season? Fall. Anybody like fall, the best of all the seasons? 1. So what's the most popular season? Summertime. Summertime.
It's spring.